Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Our today topic is the derive the equation for the uniform accelerated motion for the displacement covered in its nth second of its motion. Okay, in this this is the fourth equation for kinematic. Already derived three equations in the previous video, students. Once see the video. The next in this four kinematic equations, some variables that is kinematic variables are applicable. For example, initial velocity, the final velocity, acceleration, time taken, some distance covered. Okay, these are the kinematic variables. Okay students, how to derive the fourth equation, that is distance covered in nth second. So let us consider this is the object. This object is moving the starting from A, that initial velocity u, after some time taken to become with final velocity. Okay, particle is so A to B and B to C. The starting point A and ending point is C. Okay, here the distance is the first one is S1. This is the Sn. So before Sn, that is Sn minus 1. So totally this distance is Sn distance covered. Then A to B is n minus 1th second. Then B to C is nth second. Okay, in this equation, find out the distance traveled in nth second. So let us consider, say, body is moving with the initial velocity u, after some time taken to become with the final velocity v. The final velocity is continuously increases, then the acceleration will be positive. If the final velocity is decreases with respect to time taken, that is the retardation or negative acceleration, students. Okay, the two variables is there in time. First one, t is equal to n second, first case. The second case, t is equal to n minus 1. This is the t1, this is t2. Therefore the distance traveled in nth second, nth is equal to Snth is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, first to take first time, t1 is equal to n second. Using the kinematic second equation, s is equal to ut plus of at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, s is the Sn. Sn is equal to u into t value n, un plus half a n square, un plus of a n square. Next case, t2 is equal to n minus 1. This value substituted in place of t by using kinematic second equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. For example, this is the equation number 1. Sn minus 1 is equal to u into u. Sn minus 1 is equal to u into n minus 1 plus half into a into n minus 1 whole square. This is equation number 2. And this is the equation number A. Just to assume, students. Okay, equation 1 and 2, these two equation substitute in the place of equation number A. S nth is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1, that is equal to Sn value un plus half an square minus u into n minus 1 plus half into a into n minus 1 whole square. Okay, Sn is equal to un plus half an square, so minus into plus minus u into n un minus into minus plus u plus half into a into n minus 1 whole square, that is the a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square n square plus 1 minus 2n. Okay, then multiplication students. Sn is equal to un plus half an square minus un plus u plus an square by 2 okay, this is the minus into plus is the okay, this is the minus students. Okay, this is the totally minus an square by 2 minus into plus minus a by 2 minus into minus plus 2an by 2. Okay, plus un minus un cancel, of an square plus of an square minus of an square cancel, so remaining students Sn is equal to u, so 2 cancel, u minus a by 2 plus an. Okay, Sn is equal to, so u, okay, plus, so a by 2 cancel students, a by 2 is the common, 2n minus 1. This is the final conclusion. This is the distance traveled in nth second, is very important CBSE and NEET level student. This is the very important formula. The fourth equation of kinematic fourth equation, Sn is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, the next one problem discuss students. Okay, now discuss first problem students. The distance covered by a body during the fourth second is twice the distance covered by the body during the second of its journey. Find the initial velocity of the body. Its acceleration is 3 meter per second square. Okay, the fourth second student, fourth second is twice the second. The fourth second is twice the distance traveled by the second. That is S4 is equal to, fourth second is equal to 2 into S second, the distance traveled second. Okay, first to the fourth second students, the distance traveled nth second formula, Sn is equal to the u plus u v naught is the initial velocity, so a by 2 into 4 minus 1. S fourth is equal to, so v naught plus, so a by 2 into 7. Okay, the next student S2, the second S2 is equal to, so V naught same students, a by 2 into 3, 2 into 2 minus 1, the second, then S2 is equal to V naught plus a by 2 into 3. Okay, these two are equal. S4 is equal to 2 times the second equation, V naught plus a by 2 into 7 plus, that is equal to 2 into V naught plus a by 2 into 3. V naught plus 7a by 2 is equal to 2 V naught plus 2a by 2 into 3. 2 cancel students. Okay, V naught is equal to 7a by 2 minus 3a, that is equal to the cross multiplication 6a, 7a minus 6a by 2, that is a by 2. Okay, V naught is equal to, here acceleration is 3 meter per second square students, 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5 meter per second. This is the answer, very simple answer students. The fourth second is twice the distance covered in second. S4 is equal to, S4th second is equal to 2 into distance covered in second. S4 is equal to S2, then simplification, then find out the initial velocity value 1.5 meter per second. Hope you like this video students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.